Hey guys, it's Miss Carter. I just want to go over the quiz answers with you. Maybe if you got a couple wrong, you'll have some understanding of why you got those wrong, and that way you won't make the same mistake next time. Okay, so it says number 1 is 3 times 1/6. Now, when I read a multiplication symbol, I always think 3 groups of 1/6. 1, 2, 3 groups of 1/6 in each group. So altogether, I have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So you should have gotten D. Number 2 says, look at the model. Which multiplication problem does the model show? So again, I see 3 groups with 1/8 in each group. So the correct answer should be B. Number 3, multiply 4 times 2/5. Again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2/5 in each group. Now you could do it this way, where you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, and then the denominator stays the same, or you could add them all up as well. When you get 4 times 2/5, you should get B, 8/5. Number 4 says, Oscar drew the model shown below. Which statements tell about Oscar's model? Select 2 that apply. So here I see 2 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4/6 in each group. That's 2 times 1/6. That's not right. B is 2 times 4/6. That's what I just said. And then, is there anything that I can think of that will give me the same answer as 2 times 4/6? Well, we knew that 2 times 4/6 is actually 8/6, which makes sense because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6th. 2 times 4 is 8 times 1/6. Maybe. Then we have 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 and 1/6 can't be right. And then we have 2 times 4 is 8 times 4/6. Well, that would be 32/6. So the only other answer that makes sense is C. Number 5 says multiply 4 times 1/2. So you could do this 2 ways. You could either count them in the visual, you could multiply it out and you'd get 4 halves. You leave the denominator alone. Or you might just say, what's 1/2 of 4? If I cut 4 right down the middle, what's on both sides? The correct answer should be C, 4 halves, which is also equal to 2, because that fraction bar can also mean divide. It says complete the equation. 3 groups of 1/12. How many do we have altogether? 1/12, 2/12, 3/12. And then last but not least, Terrence has 2 glasses. Each glass has 1/3 cup of water. Show and explain how Terrence can use the fraction strips to find how much water he has in all. So he has 2 glasses here, right? There is 1/3 of a cup of water in each glass. So really all I have to do is shade in 1/3 in each glass. Okay, my equation would be 2 times 1/3, which equals 1/3, 2/3. Okay, that's about it. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.